So we're gonna put salt in Trace's water. Okay, that's it. Clean that up. Open it. What the fuck? Okay, and then like rock. Do you guys want raspberry? For what? Give me some number. Did you put me some? No. Yes. I want that pepperoni. Hey. Oh, Erica. All mine. Cheese right here. By my mouth. Sriracha. Fucking Mexican ass. Oh, hot. Very hot.
Oh, there we go.
You have ranch, blah?
Ranch?
That's fine. I licked it. Ranch.
I was like, I don't care. Look at me. I really was. I was like, that shit. Put it in your own plate.
I don't have nowhere space in the bag.
You're gonna be holding it.
I went to do this today.
Now we're gonna have to do this.
No,
it's vinegar. Anthrax. It's not anthrax.
No, nigga, it is. Don't fucking play. Tell the truth.
Indian.
Yeah.
That was not funny.
Don't play that.
I didn't see your face.
I know, me too.
I just forgot. It was in there for like 1 second, and then it was like. I totally forgot. I got just a pizza.
Damn it, guys.